Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with my stash crafting for 2021, and this is the Christmas stash crafting. And I was supposed to have this video up early this week, and I do apologize. Yeah, time got the best of me, so yeah, anyway, so me and Tree from Craft On are trying to use up our Christmas stash that we have and start creating our items earlier this year, because last year we were so time crunched with time and unexpected things came up. So we're hoping that this time with, you know, using our stash, we can create more and have, you know, we're not so overwhelmed in, you know, like when Christmas comes. So anyways, so I ended up using this for this project. I ended up using this Martha Stewart paper pad, and oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I don't know if you guys seen it. It is just gorgeous. So I actually used some of the scraps that I had from this paper pad, and these are still some of the scraps that I have for this paper pad. So so far this week, this is what I was able to make. I was able to make some Christmas cards, and I used a 110-pound cardstock on the back. Okay, so far they're not totally completed, but it's a start, and I just wanted to go ahead and make them flat because I am planning on sending flat Christmas cards this year. And there you go. This is what they look like, and that is basically it. I do apologize. Like I said, time got the best of me, and Tree was like, no, it's okay. I was like, nope, we're doing this because, you know, we're trying to use our stash and complete projects for the end of the year. So I am still doing something, so this is it. Anyways, hoping to have more for next time, but stay tuned for this next, today's Sunday, so for Friday we should have our stash birthday for 2021 video up. So watch out for that, you guys, and I am hoping to have that on time. I do apologize again for the lateness, and hopefully you guys like my Christmas cards. Like I said, they're not completed, but it's a start, and yay. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.